Alright, I'm gonna start.
Hey, watch out for the level 3 at the middle sewers.
Totemic.
Local cat
and
enthusiast.
I'm gonna hunt him down. He's gonna be my 900th kill on my rocket launcher.
I told you.
What are your Steam so far? It'll probably be fun.
Enjoy that 36 damage.
Alright. I'm gonna find Totemic and he's gonna
What
be
if
my 30.
Totemic just left?
I would kill that medic, but I don't think he's Totemic. Blue team, 6-man, what class is Totemic?
Scary. The invisible
Demo.
medic.
He's demo?
Yeah.
Okay. Scout, please leave me alone. I'm on a mission. Okay, I'm just gonna run away. He's playing demo. That's gonna be a bit of a hard kill to get. I think I can do it though.
No.
Yeah, you guys gotta watch that SFM video. It's kind of funny. It's just called "Some Engineers Make a Building Today," and it's a reference to one of the scenes. No, it's not it. I know he's an anime knight. Spy, go away. Alright, I gotta run. Play that music
You better
again.
continue playing that shit.
Because I gotta keep running
You've
away.
disconnected the fuck?
I gotta run away. Oh, alright, I'll have run music. No! Oh, Totemic is AFK in spawn. Of course he is. Alright, well I guess I'm not gonna give him that rocket launcher killed right now. Oh, good. We're glad you came back.
Yo, it's Luca.
I hope you didn't hear anything of what I just said about hunting you down.
Hell.
None of that like registered inside your brain.
Damn right, I didn't hear that.
But yes, welcome here. No, I'm talking to Totemic from you.
Luca.
The entirety of the enemy team.
I wonder what
didn't even mean
Totemic's
for that
voice
word.
is.
Wait, that's not Luca.
Totemic, you gotta tag in voice chat someday.
I got a fish now.
Totemic, do you have a
Just a
microphone?
fish.
I wonder.
Where the fuck is he?
I wonder if he does.
Yeah, Totemic has one. I've heard him speak.
Oh, he doesn't have good headphones. Catman, I would appreciate it if you...
Hitting someone to death with a fish now. Why does it... Ah!
Alright, we'll have to wait for you to get home.
I have a fish.
Alright.
Why do people use this? Why does it make bullet holes? Ah!
Ah, okay. I understand.
Totemic is more of an action, speak louder than words type of guy.
Wait, is Totemic? That's how you pronounce? Alright, I'm just gonna not...
No, it's Totemic.
Totemic, eagle.
Yep, I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear one.
I have a fish.
I'm gonna pretend it's Totemic. Out of the way, demo.
Totemic.
No. Yes! I've always been right. You guys are all wrong. You guys are all stupid. I'm superior.
I said Totemic.
Yep, that's not how you say it.
Hello.
Oh wait, no.
How are
no,
you
it
guys
is.
doing?
Someone
Hey,
said
Totemic,
Totemic.
Hi.
Someone said Totemic.
Totemic. How dare you?
Oh, hi, local cat enthusiast. How are you doing?
That's
Ow.
fine. If I'm not gonna be able to do it without killing people, I guess I'll just hit them with the escape plan.
I think we'll just be chilling in red sewers. Woo! Yes.
Do you really hate fun that much? You can't just let me slide, man. I'm on a mission. I'm on a very top secret intelligent mission.
There's two modes of people on the server. One who are super tryhards, and another who are like super lax.
I can name every single tryhard on this server.
Are you sure he's one of them, Willie?
And
Well, I'll name one of them. Tiny
come on,
Cat
Theo.
Warrior.
Come on.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, they just kill every single person. They don't even let friendly groups have fun.
Funnily enough, my peaceful class is spy.
God dang it, Spy.
That's gonna kill me. Could you not?
Damn it, Bobby.
Better doesn't mean try hard? Well, yeah,
Because
but, like,
I don't know, I think
Molly.
people trust an uncloaked, undisguised spy.
but with Tiny Cat
Wolf is
Warriors,
not
they
that,
just
I
go
don't
over to like
think.
friendly groups and just kill
Okay,
everyone.
and that argument means that you are absolutely
Not a friendly
wrong.
No.
Well, if you see a disguised spy,
And no,
you
I'm
think
not.
he's trying to do something
I'm not
bad.
going to taunt kill you, Totemic. That's not what I'm trying to do. It's something more important that you don't know about, because you were AFK. Which I'm actually glad for, because then you'd probably be playing a spy.
That spy is a spy.
Watch
Spy
out, there's a
among us.
spy.
Ow. I know that.
Oh my
I got
god.
Spy crab! The legendary spy crab.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Spy crab.
That was actually good at aim. I wonder if a soldier...
Turbo, your game decided a hard crash ever.
I
The
need,
fuck does that even mean?
I need to know...
Like, crashed a computer, I think.
Out of the way,
Crashed to
everyone.
desktop.
Is that him?
Oh
Bro,
my god.
I bricked my computer.
You are the 900th rocket launcher kill. Didn't even give me anything, but...
Ow!
Yeah.
That hurt. Wait, why did you do that? That hurt a lot. Ow. Ow.
Is there no reward for getting a 900
Gave me a new
kills?
level
Oh, it's probably
on
nine. It's probably like
Frontier
920.
Justice.
Yeah. That's what I was talking. That's why I was hunting you down.
Ow.
Is because I
And my
wanted you
spy
to be
looks
the
pretty
900
stupid. I
kill.
have the Christmas gnome hat.
And now I'm going to
and I
post this
have
on
the...
YouTube.
Ah!